how to transfer Shopify store to another Shopify store or owner. So right here from the left hand side, if we want to transfer our store, then we will choose settings. And once we have selected this option, we will go to users and permissions. Once we click on it, then at the very top you will see the store owner, and we will see this blue button here to transfer ownership as well. So if we click on it, then it will look like this. The new store owner will be able to remove you from the store or change your permissions, view or edit credit card and banking information, and pause or close the store. And you will be removed from the store when they accept the invite. Right here, if you want to transfer your Shopify store, you will type out the person or recipient's email in the first blank here. Also the first and last name, and you will enter your Shopify admin password just to confirm that you are the original owner that wants to transfer ownership. After you have filled this out, you will click on transfer store ownership, and this will successfully have transferred your Shopify store to another Shopify store. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.